Good morning, students. Today I will tell you about the respiratory system of human beings. Now, respiratory tract. Respiratory tract is present in our body through which we take oxygen. Respiratory tract starts from your nasal passage. From here, it goes to pharynx, which is the common passage for both air as well as food. After pharynx, there will be larynx, which is known as the voice box, which is also known as Adam's apple. Then it is followed by trachea, which is known as the windpipe. Here at the trachea, there is present a lid-like structure called epiglottis. After pharynx, it is present. Epiglottis is present to prevent the entry of any food particle into the ear tract, that is trachea. In windpipe, nothing should be entered except air. It is dangerous for the person. Then it goes to after trachea. This is trachea, windpipe. Trachea bifurcate into two directions. This is left bronchi and this is right bronchi. These two enters into your lungs. These are your lungs, left and right. Left bronchi enter into left lung, right enters into right lungs. Then these bronchi further form branches known as bronchioles, and these bronchioles end up into balloon-like structure known as alveolar sac. Alveoli. Alveoli is the actual site of or exchange of gases. From alveoli, oxygen goes to the blood because alveoli has a thick network of blood capillaries. So oxygen enters from alveoli to blood simply by the process of diffusion, and carbon dioxide present in the blood, it moves to the alveoli and goes back from alveoli to bronchioles, bronchi, trachea, and then it comes out through nasal passage. So this is the respiratory tract. Air enter into nasal cavity. Here it is filtered by your hairs present in your mucosa, trap the dust particles in the air. Conditioning of air occur. It comes to the temperature of the body temperature. Then it moves to the pharynx, larynx, trachea, then bronchi, then bronchioles, and finally move to the alveoli, where exchange of gases will occur. From alveoli, oxygen moves to the blood by the process of diffusion, and carbon dioxide comes to the alveoli and then moves back and comes out through nasal passage.